y'all, what is good, man? Hey, I think this is the first official video with me in my car out somewhere together, man. I'm not gonna lie, that car, man, I just was like, that car sitting right here, bro. Look, sitting right here, that car looks, that motherfucker is sexy, man. My car looks, oh my god, dang. Like, personally, now that I have my car back, I don't think I would ever want to get like sell it or trade it in. Like, I don't think I can do that, because like my whole brand is also this car as well. So it's like, I can't really just get rid of the car itself alone, because like, I don't know, like the whole world also knows me off the car. So it's like, damn, this car look, man. That car look good as shit, man. I'm not gonna lie, this car look, oh my god. Comment down below and let me know your honest thoughts of this car. Tell me, man. I don't know, but anyway, even if you have a negative comment, the comment's going over my head, so no need to comment anything negative. Positive vibes only. But I'm here to tell y'all and let y'all know, I am officially taking all the modifications off my car. I am returning my car back to stock. Not looks wise, but engine wise, my car is going back to stock. So that means I will not be running no catless downpipe, no catless front pipe, yeah, pretty much all the bolt-ons, the tuning, all the engine, all that's going to by. So yeah, because right now I'm not tuned right now. I'm no longer tuned. I'm just tuned, so that way my car knows I'm running my catless downpipes and my cold air intake, so that way I don't throw any codes. But man, for anyone that's new to my channel, this is the world's most unreliable Honda Civic. I said it here, this is the world's most unreliable Honda Civic. You wanna know why? This car has been broken and undrivable more than I've been able to drive it. So it's either been getting wrapped, broken, tires blown off. Oh, this is bad. But man, let me give y'all a walk around the car. But first of all, shout out to Reflection Detail, man. Reflect, man. Reflection really got down on this car. So the biggest people that has been part of this build is one, the biggest of them all. Reflection Detail Vegas. Also, my good guy Mo at Auto. He got me right. The wheel selection telling me that I should lower the car. So pretty much mainly the exterior and also the interior, because he has my lighting done inside the car. So I have red lights for all the so I can give some of y'all good red light special in the car. And also my other sponsor, Boza Carbon, for getting me right with the carbon fiber steering to match the outside of the car. So is a steering wheel matching the outside of the car, or the outside of the car matching the carbon fiber steering? I don't know. But let me know, man, because this shit is good as fuck, and I misstrapped my car. Ain't gonna lie. So if you guys haven't noticed, I have been driving a Ruby for about like 2 weeks now, and when I say the day I got my car back, Ruby has been sitting out front, not even being like looked at. Sorry, Jazz, but yeah, like ever since I've been in my car, I haven't even looked or thought about Ruby at all, because oh man, because like it's all about the experience. My car is my experience. I love my seats. I love my subs, man. I'm sorry. Every car I get in, like, it makes me miss my car, because like the audio quality of my car is just so amazing. So I have 212s in my car. it's a whole lot going on inside the car. But we give you a little sneak peek. Okay, that was a little too much now. But yeah, man, I want to let y'all know that all the engine parts is going bye-bye. I'm no longer about to be fast boy or partaking in racing. I am retired from racing. You heard it here first. I am retired from racing. It's gonna be strictly a show car now, which I tried to do a show car, race car build, and the race car part did not work out in my favor. The show car is here, so hey man. But I'm about to take some photos here because I'm in the lovely, I forgot what it's called already. LA River. I'm in the LA River, so yeah. But fortunately, my car can't make it past one little. It's like this one little dip. But I know coming back, my car is going to get stuck and my bumper is going to tear off because the splitter is pretty much on the ground. So yeah, man. But comment down below and let me know if you guys think that I should get airbags. I've been really wanting to get airbags. Equals air. It's air suspension, so I can air up, air back down. Yeah. So the only thing I have left to do on my car is I'm getting the stars put in on my roof. So I'm getting stars put in on my roof. I'm getting new floor mats, new seats. What else? New seats, stars in the roof, new mats, and more carbon on the inside because you can't go wrong with carbon. So that's what I'm doing. But exterior wise, I think I'm done. I was going to do a wide body, but it's going to hurt the resale value because especially this motorcycle I have right now, so the resale value is super high. So I would not want to hurt that. Even though I don't think I'm gonna ever sell or trade it in for like at least another year or two, honestly, because man, I miss this car, man. So this is honestly what I think I'm gonna do. Oh, but no, I do have to get an intercooler though. I am getting an intercooler, and since that way my car can breathe a little more better. Right now, the car runs 100% fine. It just has a slight delay going into gear. That's it. All right, y'all. Look, now I think it's time for me to take y'all on a good little POV drive to the next location of where I'm about to go take some more photos of my car at. Oh, tell me that don't sound good. I can't see nothing in front of me. Like, it's already bad that I'm wearing shades and my windshield is completely blacked out. But that's not a smart move right there. Yeah, let's get up out of here. What's that right there? I bet you $100 I'm gonna scrape. I bet you $100 I'm gonna scrape. Yep, then I did. So let's get out of here. Dang, yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It feels so good to be back in the car, man. Like, oh my god, me and my car feels so good. God is good, thank God my transmission was not out the door. That would have been 5 rackaroos just to get a whole new transmission in, and I wouldn't want to have done that. If I would have had to pay 5 racks to fix my well, not even fix it, to get a new transmission, then this car would have just sat outside. This car would have sat outside, and I wouldn't have even looked its way at all. Because 5 racks for a Honda, fuck me. Sorry, I would never. But never say never, y'all. Never say never. Sometimes you might have to, and especially if it's your only means of transportation. If you gotta pay 5 racks to fix your transmission, you're going to pay that 5 racks to fix your transmission. So yeah, I just be talking shit with my car. But deep down inside, I love my car. Deep down inside, I really like my car. You put it in. So look. So here's the thing, right? So when I start my car and then I put it in drive, it takes like a second to engage that gear. Same thing, like going from drive to reverse. It takes a second. Why is this car? I wish I could see a car in front of me. Like I'm behind the line. He's like in the middle of the street. Bro, just back up. Yeah. Oh, that's the new 2022 Civic. That shit actually nice. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh shit, 3 of them. There's 3 of them. What the fuck? I'm gonna go turn around. I don't know. This dude right here, high as hell or something. Still sitting there. Yeah. Don't do drugs, kids. I gotta keep this car as long as possible to get me from point A to point Z. It definitely does get me to point A and B, but it's a matter of time is to see if your car can make it from A to Z. Cause Z is way that way. B is like from here, from downtown to like the beach or something. That's B. But if you're going from like downtown LA to the top of the goddamn canyons, oh, that's big deal. That's Z. And back down. Oh yeah, no, so yeah, I might go just keep this car running. It's a Honda, so hey, I'm showing y'all proof that Honda do last. My car hasn't been dead. It's been alive, but it ain't been dead though. So yeah, man, this car cool. I love this car though, y'all. That's why I'm like, I would like, if I'm bored at home, I'm taking a drive.